What's up, y'all? So, um, right now I'm just kind of in my mood, feeling kind of down and sad, and I just want to speak out for all the ladies out there that's gone through recent breakups and hurt, pain, niggas. I'm gonna try to do this without cursing, but honestly, niggas, some niggas, these dumb, ignorant niggas bring the worst out of the female. I just want to say, like, when you get a good girl, what's your reason for doing her wrong? And you know you got a good girl when she's faithful, when she's always trying to do whatever makes you happy, trying to make sure that you good, interested in what you want. You her main thing that's on her mind. She go to sleep thinking about you, wake up thinking about you, always talking and about the good in you and ignoring the fact that you may not be right. And the thing that hurts me most is that niggas always want to be on Facebook and Twitter and every type of social network talking about females and bitches and hoes ain't shit and they ain't worth nothing and female these days thirsty, all they want is the D. Nigga, don't nobody want your D. A female nowadays, real females, real girls are just trying to love. And I'm one of them girls. I love to be happy. Who wouldn't want to be happy? But it's like every time a good girl is trying to be good to a nigga, he instead cheats on her with a hoe. And the thing I hate most though is when you one of them type of dudes that was a good dude, but you got cheated on by a girl or whatever, and you get a good girl and you change or whatever, and I don't blame you for changing, I'm changing. But at the same time, this girl trying to show you that she care, that she not this other girl, you shouldn't judge her because you just gonna turn her into one of them bitter chicks. And so when a dude come along trying to love her, she not gonna know how to accept that love. I'm turning to that chick because I know this dude. I done gave him everything. I trusted him, had faith in him, believed in everything he did, had his back. When he cheated on me with other females, I still accepted him back. And maybe I'm a fool for doing so, but at the same time, I had hope and faith that things will be different this time. I just want to know what's y'all reasoning, to do stupid stuff like that. Because honestly, you're not doing anything but making stuff worse. And another thing, this degrading females like this, oh, red bones better than dark skin and long hair better than short hair, these hoes this, these hoes that, and all that. Like, I mean, you expecting to find a real chick, but look how you talking about females. I mean, I ain't got no problem with my skin color. I'm dark skin. I don't rep team dark skin. I don't rep team light skin. Nigga, I'm a color, and that's how I'm gonna stay. It's not gonna change no time soon or ever. And I love my skin color. I love being Kiera because there will never be a chick like Kiera. And I ain't saying I got haters. I ain't saying none of that. I got short hair, and what? I mean, I didn't choose to have short hair. I used to have long hair, but then I had my hair cut because it was damaged. But that's not the point. It's the point that you need to stop looking for these girls that's materialistic. Got all this weaving. I got weave in my hair. Yeah, I keep braids. I'm not getting no sew-ins or nothing like that. But ain't nothing wrong with that. But you looking for the outside. You're not looking for the inside. And what I feel like is that if you looking for the materialistic thing, that's all you gonna get is materialistic things. And it's just stupid these days because like it's like this. You give out, you get what you give out. And it's for ladies too. You get a good person, treat them right, do them right, love them. Because right now, the way I feel, all niggas. Like I don't want to trust. I don't want to love. I don't want to care. I want to be like, nigga, you ain't nothing, never will be anything, never will have meaning. Your life means nothing. Kill yourself. But I'm not that type of person. I'm a loving, good, caring girl, and all I care about is making people happy. And I hate that about myself because I don't want to be that girl because it makes it easy to hurt me. I'm giving up on looking for Mr. Right. Fuck him. If he want me, he'll find me. And that's what I gotta say to all you ladies and all you guys out there. Stop chasing up behind a person that you really love. Because you will always know who you love, but you will never know who truly loves you. And some guys say, I lied because I love you. When you love somebody, you believe they deserve the best, and the best is the truth. I just feel like it's time out for all the bullshit people. Because y'all ain't doing nothing. When you mess with somebody else's love, you're just making another bullshit person. So somebody's learning something.